stop. He does that for her too. When she puts the video camera on, then he stops talking. Oh, that's it. What? You have so much to say today, don't you? Huh? You have lots to say today? Huh? You had lots to say today? Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. Hi.
Say hi to Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Grandma loves you. I know. Yes, she does. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I love you too. I love you too. I know. And? Oh. Wow. You really
It's
have a lot to
really
say
sad.
today.
You got a story to tell.
You had so much to say to Grandma today. I did all kinds of things today. I know. I know. All those things.